Designed for connecting, suspending, and tensioning insulated and bare conductors. Features close contact, low contact resistance, corrosion resistance, and ease of on-site maintenance. High-strength aluminum alloy, 65mm steel hot dip, galvanized carbon steel, customizable, curved contact surface, lock nut, and E-slit groove. Applicable conductor types: X-Rock, stranded copper wire, etc. Compliant with IEC standards. Secure connection, time-saving installation, and fast after-sales response. Choose CECI for a reliable wire clamp solution.